Okay guys, now that I have the gas can, I can finally install that on the front of my ATV, since I know how far I need to go from the handlebar, the windshield. And between these, on the front of the ATVs, I got like half an inch too short, if you can see it like that. So I will just weld a piece on each side, on the inside part of that hole, and I will be able to bolt my fixture or my mount on it. But for doing this, since I don't want to melt the plastic on my ATV, I think the best bet would be to remove the rack from the ATV. It's only 4 bolts, so I will remove it. It will be easier to sand the part where I need to weld, and it will be easier to paint it afterward without spraying all the plastic on my ATV. Start by removing the side. It make a pretty ugly front end or front of the bike. So there is 4 mounting point, or 6 with the 2 in the fender. So you got 1 here, the rack get to the hole here, screw right here on top of the shock. You got a hole in the plastic here, which is on top there, and you have the bolt in there. So there are 6 mounting point for this front rack. Okay guys, why retaking some measurement, I found out, or the lights came on something very important. The thing is, I want the gas can to be centered on the rack, but I forgot to consider that the hole are not centered with the gas can. What I mean by that is the hole that are holding this side of the mount are about like 2.5 inches from the side of the gas can, while here the hole or the bolt are here pretty much even, or maybe half an inch inside the hand of the gas can. So therefore I cannot put this mount center, but I have to move all the rack or the mount about 1.5 inches or 2 inches on the right, so I can make the gas can center. So what it means, let me take the gas can off. It means on this side here, I grind all of this for nothing, because I will be able to drill and to mount the right hole running this pieces here. So I will only have 1 piece to weld on this side, and I even grind this section for nothing either, because I won't be in contact with this one, only weld at both ends. Just realized that my bolt might be too short, so I will look at it right now. Yeah, my bolts are too short, and the reason is that this thing is made for snowmobile, not for ATVs. Got one all done. Sorry, I forgot to turn on the camera. So yes, I will screw it there. I will screw my mount there. Make sure everything's fit. I will mark the second hole in this piece. So I think I will be able to do it that way. Okay, so let's see if it works. I put the nut upside down so I can try it in a hole. And I had to, after my pilot hole is not used anymore, I have to oversize that hole at 1364 so the nut fit that way and go directly into the mount. So let's try it. There you go, straight. Have it there. So I think it will be perfect. So there's only 3 more holes to do. I will do these 2 first. After that, it will be easier to mark where I need to weld my other piece and where I need to drill the 2 next holes. I'll go with a magnet. Go. One hole done. Sorry about that. There you go. I can weld my piece. I will drill this hole, and for this one I believe it will be too far to go on the drill press, so I believe I will have to drill it with the portable drill. So what I will do, before welding my piece, I will drill it, because I'm scared if I weld it I will harden the steel of the rack, and I don't want to struggle drilling into it. It's pretty soft at the moment, so I will drill it while it is soft. Okay guys, so my third hole is drilled and ready. Now I'm ready to weld my piece. Now let's try this. If it fits, I will remove it, clean it well and paint it. Should fit. There we go. Let's try this again. And I can put the lock. It fit. Now it's time for painting, cleaning and painting. Okay guys, I've taped everything that I don't want paint on it, so it's clean. I'm getting ready to apply some primer, and after that I will paint it. So for now I will just shake my can. I will spray it outside because I don't want fume in everything inside. So the paint is dry enough, I can remove all the tape and the paper and start assembling this thing. Before going any further, we'll check, make sure the windshield and the fairing is clearing the gas can. For that, I need to reinstall the gas can on the mount. Let's see if it fits. I hope so. Bolts are very tight and it is loose. Two, clear on this side and clear on this side. That's went back there. Yeah, I will bring me there to install it. Yeah, now. And I can put a lock right here. Can put a lock so no one can open it and steal my gas can or my gas. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Goodbye.